The Ketogenic Diet, a detailed beginner's guide to keto. The ketogenic eating regimen, or keto eating regimen, for quick, is a low-carb, excessive fats eating regimen that gives many fitness blessings. In fact, many research display that this sort of eating regimen allow you to shed pounds and enhance your fitness. Ketogenic diets might also additionally actually have blessings towards diabetes, cancer, epilepsy, and Alzheimer's disorder. Here is an in-depth beginner's manual to the keto eating regimen. What is a ketogenic eating regimen? Keto basics. The ketogenic eating regimen is a totally low-carb, excessive fats eating regimen that stocks many similarities with the Atkins and coffee carb diets. It entails appreciably decreasing carbohydrate consumption and changing it with fats. This discount in carbs places your frame right into a metabolic country known as ketosis. When this happens, your frame will become fantastically green at burning fats for power. It additionally turns fats into ketones within the liver, which could deliver power for the mind. Ketogenic diets can reason large discounts in blood sugar and insulin degrees. This, alongside the multiplied ketones, has a few fitness blessings. Different styles of ketogenic diets. There are numerous variations of the ketogenic eating regimen, along with Standard Ketogenic Eating Regimen, SKD. This is a totally low-carb, slight protein and excessive fats eating regimen. It usually includes 70% fat, 20% protein, and best 10% carbs. Cyclical Ketogenic Eating Regimen, CKD. This eating regimen entails durations of better carb refeeds, which includes 5 ketogenic days observed via way of means of 2 excessive carb days. Targeted Ketogenic Eating Regimen, TKD. This eating regimen lets in you to feature carbs round workouts. High Protein Ketogenic Eating Regimen. This is just like a general ketogenic eating regimen, however consists of extra protein. The ratio is frequently 60% fat, 35% protein, and 5% carbs. However, best the usual and excessive protein ketogenic diets were studied extensively. Cyclical or focused ketogenic diets are extra superior strategies and generally utilized by bodybuilders or athletes. The facts in this newsletter generally applies to the usual ketogenic eating regimen, SKD, despite the fact that among the identical standards additionally observed to the opposite variations. What is ketosis? Ketosis is a metabolic country wherein your frame makes use of fats for gas in preference to carbs. It takes place whilst you notably lessen your intake of carbohydrates, restricting your frame's delivery of glucose, sugar, that's the principal supply of power for the cells. Following a ketogenic eating regimen is the simplest manner to go into ketosis. Generally, this entails restricting carb intake to around 20 to 50 grams in keeping with day and filling up on fats, which includes meat, fish, eggs, nuts, and healthful oils. It's additionally crucial to slight your protein intake. This is due to the fact protein may be transformed into glucose if fed on in excessive quantities, which might also additionally graduate your transition into ketosis. Practicing intermittent fasting may also assist you input ketosis faster. There are many distinctive sorts of intermittent fasting, however the maximum not unusual place approach entails restricting meals consumption to around 8 hours in keeping with day and fasting for the final 16 hours. Blood, urine, and breath checks are available, which could assist decide whether or not you've entered ketosis via way of means of measuring the quantity of ketones produced via way of means of your frame. Certain signs and symptoms may additionally imply that you've entered ketosis, along with multiplied thirst, dry mouth, common urination, and reduced starvation or appetite. Ketogenic diets allow you to shed pounds. A ketogenic eating regimen is in powerful manner to shed pounds and decrease danger elements for disorder. In fact, studies suggest that the ketogenic eating regimen can be as powerful for weight reduction as a low-fats eating regimen. What's extra? The eating regimen is so filling that you may shed pounds without counting energy or monitoring your meals consumption. One overview of 13 research observed that following a totally low-carb, ketogenic eating regimen turned into barely extra powerful for long time period weight reduction than a low-fats eating regimen. People who observed the keto eating regimen misplaced a median of 2 pounds, 0.9 kilograms, extra than the institution that observed a low-fats eating regimen. What's extra? It additionally brought about discounts in diastolic blood stress and triglyceride degrees. Another have a look at in 34 older adults observed that people who observed a ketogenic eating regimen for 8 weeks misplaced almost 5 instances as a great deal general frame fats as people who observed a low-fats eating regimen. The multiplied ketones, decreased blood sugar degrees, and stepped-forward insulin sensitivity may additionally play a key function. Ketogenic diets for diabetes and prediabetes. Diabetes is characterized via way of means of modifications in metabolism, excessive blood sugar, and impaired insulin function. The ketogenic eating regimen allow you to lose extra fats, that's carefully connected to kind 2 diabetes, prediabetes, and metabolic syndrome. One older have a look at observed that the ketogenic eating regimen stepped forward insulin sensitivity via way of means of a whopping 75%. A small have a look at in ladies with kind 2 diabetes additionally observed that following a ketogenic eating regimen for 90 days notably decreased degrees of hemoglobin A1c, that's a degree of long time period blood sugar management. Another have a look at in 349 humans with kind 2 diabetes observed that people who observed a ketogenic eating regimen misplaced a median of 26.2 pounds, 11.9 kilograms, over a 2-year period. This is a crucial gain while thinking about the hyperlink among weight and sort 2 diabetes. What's extra, in addition they skilled stepped forward blood sugar management, and using sure blood sugar medicinal drugs reduced amongst individuals for the duration of the direction of the have a look at. Other fitness blessings of keto. The ketogenic eating regimen absolutely originated as a device for treating neurological sicknesses which includes epilepsy. Studies have now proven that the eating regimen may have blessings for an extensive range of various fitness conditions. Heart disorder. The ketogenic eating regimen can assist enhance danger elements like frame fats, HDL, good, LDL cholesterol degrees, blood stress, and blood sugar. Cancer. The eating regimen is presently being explored as a further remedy for cancer, due to the fact it can assist gradual tumor growth. Alzheimer's disorder. The keto eating regimen might also additionally assist lessen signs and symptoms of Alzheimer's disorder and gradual its progression. Epilepsy. Research has proven that the ketogenic eating regimen can reason large discounts in seizures in epileptic children. Parkinson's disorder. Although extra studies is needed, one have a look at observed that the eating regimen helped enhance signs and symptoms of Parkinson's disorder. Polycystic ovary syndrome. The ketogenic eating regimen can assist lessen insulin degrees, which might also additionally play a key function in polycystic ovary syndrome. Brain injuries. Some studies shows that the eating regimen should enhance consequences of annoying mind injuries. However, hold in thoughts that studies into a lot of those regions is a long way from conclusive. Foods to keep away from. Any meals that's excessive in carbs ought to be limited. Here's a listing of ingredients that want to be decreased or removed on a ketogenic eating regimen. Sugary ingredients, soda, fruit juice, smoothies, cake, ice cream, candy, etc. Grains or starches, wheat primarily based totally products, rice, pasta, cereal, etc. Fruit, all fruit, besides small quantities of berries like strawberries. Beans or legumes, peas, kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, etc. Root veggies and tubers, potatoes, candy potatoes, carrots, parsnips, etc. Low fats or eating regimen products, low fats mayonnaise, salad dressings, and condiments. A few condiments or sauces, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, teriyaki sauce, ketchup, etc. Bad fats, processed vegetable oils, mayonnaise, etc. Alcohol, beer, wine, liquor, combined liquids. Sugar unfastened eating regimen ingredients, sugar unfastened candies, syrups, puddings, sweeteners, desserts, etc. Foods to devour. You ought to base the bulk of your food round those ingredients. Meat, purple meat, steak, ham, sausage, bacon, chicken, and turkey. Fatty fish, salmon, trout, tuna, and mackerel eggs, pastured or omega-3 complete eggs. Butter and cream, grass-fed butter and heavy cream. Cheese, unprocessed cheeses like cheddar, goat, cream, blue, or mozzarella. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, etc. Healthful oils, more virgin olive oil and avocado oil. Avocados, complete avocados or freshly made guacamole. Low-carb veggies, inexperienced veggies, tomatoes, onions, peppers, etc. Condiments, salt, pepper, herbs, and spices. Healthy keto snacks. In case you get hungry among food, right here are a few helpful, keto-authorized snacks. Fatty meat or fish. Cheese. A handful of nuts or seeds. Keto sushi bites. Olives. 1 or hard-boiled or deviled eggs. Keto Pleasant Snack Bars. 90% dark chocolate. Complete fats Greek yogurt combined with nut butter and cocoa powder. Bell peppers and guacamole. Strawberries and undeniable cottage cheese. Celery with salsa and guacamole. Pork jerky. Smaller quantities of leftover food. Fats bombs. Keto hints and hints. Although getting began out at the ketogenic eating regimen may be challenging, there are numerous hints that you may use to make it less complicated. Start via way of means of familiarizing yourself with meals labels and checking the grams of fats, carbs, and fiber to decide how your favorite ingredients can suit into your eating regimen. Planning out your food earlier can also be useful and allow you to shop more time for the duration of the week. Many websites, meals blogs, apps, and cookbooks additionally provide keto pleasant recipes and meal thoughts that you may use to construct your personal custom menu. Alternatively, a few meal shipping offerings even provide keto pleasant alternatives for a fast and handy manner to experience keto food at home. Look into healthful frozen keto food whilst you are quick on time. When going to social gatherings or traveling own circle of relatives and friends, you could additionally need to do not forget bringing your personal meals, which could make it a great deal less complicated to minimize cravings and keep on with your meal plan. Tips for consuming out on a ketogenic eating regimen. Many eating place food may be made keto pleasant. Most eating places provide a few form of meat or fish primarily based totally dish. Order this and update any excessive carb meals with more veggies. Egg primarily based totally food also are an incredible option, which includes an omelet or eggs and bacon. Another favorite is bun much less burgers. You may also change the fries for veggies instead. Add more avocado, cheese, bacon, or eggs. At Mexican eating places, you may experience any sort of meat with more cheese, guacamole, salsa, and bitter cream. For dessert, ask for a combined cheese board or berries with cream. Side outcomes and a way to limit them. Although the ketogenic eating regimen is generally secure for maximum healthful humans, there can be a few preliminary facet outcomes whilst your frame adapts. There's a few anecdotal proof of those outcomes frequently called the keto flu. Based on reviews from a few at the consuming plan, it's generally over inside some days. Reported keto flu signs and symptoms consist of diarrhea, constipation, and vomiting. Other much less not unusual place signs and symptoms consist of bad power and intellectual function, multiplied starvation, sleep issues, nausea, digestive discomfort, reduced workout performance. To limit this, you may attempt an everyday low-carb eating regimen for the primary few weeks. This might also additionally educate your frame to burn extra fats earlier than you absolutely cast off carbs. A ketogenic eating regimen also can alternate the water and mineral stability of your frame, so including more salt in your food or taking mineral dietary supplements might also additionally assist. Talk in your medical doctor approximately your dietary needs. At least with inside the beginning, it's crucial to devour till you're complete and keep away from limiting energy to a great deal. Usually, a ketogenic eating regimen reasons weight reduction without intentional calorie restriction. Risks of the keto eating regimen. Staying at the keto eating regimen with inside the long time might also additionally have a few bad outcomes, along with dangers of the following. Low protein with inside the blood. More fats with inside the liver. Kidney stones. Micronutrient deficiencies. A sort of medicinal drug known as sodium glucose cotransporter 2, SGLT2, inhibitors for kind 2 diabetes can boom the danger for diabetic ketoacidosis, a risky situation that will increase blood acidity. Anyone taking this medicinal drug ought to keep away from the keto eating regimen. More studies is being completed to decide the protection of the keto eating regimen with inside the long time. Keep your medical doctor knowledgeable of your consuming plan to manual your choices. Supplements for a ketogenic eating regimen. Although no dietary supplements are required, a few may be useful. MCT oil. Added to liquids or yogurt, MCT oil offers power and allows boom ketone degrees. Minerals. Added salt and different minerals may be crucial while beginning out because of shifts in water and mineral stability. Caffeine. Caffeine may have blessings for power, fats loss, and performance. Exogenous ketones. This complement might also additionally assist improve the frame's ketone degrees. Creatine. Creatine offers severe blessings for fitness and performance. This can assist in case you are combining a ketogenic eating regimen with workout. Whey. Use half of a scoop of whey protein in shakes or yogurt to boom your day-by-day protein consumption. The backside line. A ketogenic eating regimen may be incredible for humans who are overweight, have diabetes, are trying to enhance their metabolic fitness. It can be much less appropriate for elite athletes or the ones wishing to feature big quantities of muscle or weight. It may additionally now no longer be sustainable for a few humane's life and preferences. Speak together along with your medical doctor approximately your consuming plan and dreams to determine if a keto consuming plan proper for you.